Lord, you are the perfect expression of love. Your love never ends, and your love never fails. Your love conquers all. Your love suffers long and is kind. Help me understand what real love means, and how to express that love to you and to the people in my life. Oh, your love does not envy, it does not parade itself. Give me wisdom to know when to turn off the intensity that I need for my relationship to others, and simply love the way you love. Your love does not behave rudely. Help myself, never forgetting to love, as you teach in your word. My desire is that my family will be filled with an abundance of love. True love does not rejoice in sin. Godly love rejoices in the truth for one another and for you. Oh, please help us seek to love as you do. Give me wisdom to know when to turn off the intensity that I need for my relationship to others, and simply love the way you love. Parade itself. Your love is not puffed up. Your love is not puffed up. Your love does not seek its own. Your love is not puffed up. Your love is not provoked, thinks no evil.